Analyze line plots. A line plot or dot plot shows data along a number line using dots. In science class, Abby and her classmate performed an experiment in which they used different amount of vinegar. The table below shows how much vinegar each person used. If we have now this table of values, we can represent these values using dots. The first value was half. We can put a dot above the half. Now 1. Then when I repeat it again, we put another plot. 1.5. 1.5 is here. 3/4. Then 1. 3/4 again. Now we are finished from the first row. The second row, 1.25. 3/4. Then half, then 3, then 1, then 3/4, then 1.5. Now we finish from the second line. Now the last one, 1 and 1 again, 1 repeated 2 times, 1, then another 1, 1.25, then 3/4, and 1, 1.25, then 1. Here we have 21 values. If we count, the dots must be 21 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 19, 20, 21. The same number of dots. Look here, we will find the value 3 is very different from the other. If we find a value that is very different from the other, we give it a name, outlier. Then the outlier value is very different from the other group of values here. The other group is very different. Now, Adam studied the feather lengths of some adult fox sparrows. How long are the longest feather in the data set? Here we have a data set. We want to find the longest length here. 2.5, 2/4, 2 and 2.5. The bigger one here is 2 and 3/4. Here, if all of them is smaller than, this means this is still the longest. Here, 3/4 repeated again and repeated again. No number bigger than 2 and 3/4. Then the longest one was 3, was 2 and 3/4 inch. Now he said here, how many feathers are 2.25 inch or longer? Maybe 2 and 1/4 or longer than 2 and 1/4. We can count from the dots here because here is very hard. We can count from here. This is 2.25 and this all of these dots is bigger than 2 and 1/4. We can count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This means this number is 50. But the easy way here is count the dots here from 2.25 and above, not the smaller. This is smaller than 2.25. We count all of these, then 2.5, then 2 and 3/4 because it's 2.25 or bigger than. He said here Adam discovered that he had an error when he recorded one of the feather lengths. Which data values could be the error? Here, maybe the error here is 3/4. Why 3/4? Because very different from the other. It's maybe 1.75. How we can write it here? We can set the outlier the outlier, the outlier 3/4 inch. It must be the error here. It could be the error. It could be the error. If the correct value, if the correct value correct value 1 and 3/4 inch. Maybe it's nearest because it's nearest to the other. Thank you for listening.